Look at this beautiful oven-baked potato. Golden, crispy crust, so aromatic. But you know what? I'm gonna show you a simple way to make it even tastier. And the secret is in one magical ingredient. So, let's start with garlic. Take a whole head, cut off the top. Add 1 teaspoon of ghee. Add salt, pepper. Wrap it up in foil and pop it in the oven for 30 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Here's a fun fact. When you roast garlic, it completely changes its personality. From sharp and pungent, it transforms into soft, sweet, and creamy. This happens because the high temperature breaks down those harsh sulfur compounds, while natural sugars caramelize. While the garlic's chilling in the oven, let's work on the potatoes. Wash them thoroughly and cut into even wedges. Another fun fact, did you know that garlic is a real natural antibiotic? A compound called allicin that it contains boosts your immune system and cuts down cold duration by 70%. And combined with potatoes, you get not just a delicious, but also a healthy dish. Get the water boiling and toss in the potatoes for 7 to 8 minutes. If your potatoes are small, 5 minutes is enough. Take out our wedges and right away, while they're hot, add 1.5 teaspoons of butter. See how it melts and coats every wedge? Season with salt, and into the oven they go. 25 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, then another 3 minutes at 480 for that crispy golden crust. And here's our garlic. Look how soft and fragrant it's become. Just squeeze it out. It comes out like a smooth cream. One more fact, garlic doesn't just boost immunity. It also improves digestion, protects your liver, and even lowers cholesterol. It's a true superfood.
Little when the sun goes down, we can walk this autumn town, find a place to be alone.
Add salt to taste, pepper, paprika for aroma, and 1 tablespoon of mayo. Mix it well, and our magical garlic sauce is ready. If you enjoyed this recipe, support the channel with a like and subscribe. That way you won't miss new tasty ideas. Try this recipe and your loved ones will be thrilled.
Just you and me. We can lose this love, so hold on to what we know we have. Hold on to moments that we've shared. Hold on if all we have is just each other. Everything will be fine. Just hold on.
Taking out our beauty potatoes. Check out that crust. Add them to our garlic sauce and gently toss everything so each wedge gets covered in this aromatic mixture.
Now I was thinking you should stay. Memories for our house to hold will carry till.
Moment of truth. Let's try it. Crispy crust outside, tender inside, and this garlic sauce, the sweet roasted garlic perfectly complements the potatoes.